So hello guys, welcome to the Python lecture. In this lecture video, we will learn to know how to do decision making in Python by using various statements. Okay, so let's begin with the if statement. Here we first take a variable and take an input like 10. Okay, then in the just next line we will check my condition by using if statement that my condition is true or not. Let's suppose a condition a is equal to 10 and always use colon after writing the condition. So now in the very next line we will write a statement that if my condition gets true, then it will show me in the output. So let's print as this is true, simple. Okay, then press enter. See, we get our output as this is true because here my given condition gets true. Now let's suppose if my given condition is getting false, then what we will get in our output. So let's check it by taking an example. Now here we take a is equal to 20, that we know that is false condition. Okay, as I taken a is equal to 10, then write same print this is true. Enter. See, we get nothing in our output, nothing. Okay, here one thing you have to remember that always use white space before the print statement or indentation. You can call indentation. Okay, if we don't give indentation before the print statement, then it will give a syntax error. Let me show you a live example. If we don't give white space, then what will happen? Let's take a true condition and print the statement without taking white space before it. See, we get a syntax error here. Okay, let's suppose we want some output even when my condition gets false. So for that we will use if else statement. So let me show you by one example. Let's take b is equal to 50. If b is equal to 100, then print b is equal to 100, else it will print condition not satisfied. See, get our output condition not satisfied even when my condition gets false. Let's take one more example of true condition in if else statement, then see what we will get. Get just b is 50 because here my condition gets true and my given statement is printed in my output. Okay, sometimes we have to check multiple conditions for a program. Okay, then for that we will use if elif condition statement. Okay, let me show you one example. Take a variable and give a false condition first. C is equal to 10, then print c is 10. If c is equal to 20, then it will print c is 20. Otherwise, if my both condition is getting false, then it will show no condition satisfied. Let's see what we will get in our output. See, we get our output c is 20 because my second condition is getting true and it will print it. Here we can also take multiple elif conditions. Let me show you. And here we can also write multiple print function in our output statement. Let me show you. Here let's make this condition true by giving the actual value of c. So we write 20 here and also add a default statement if my all condition getting false. My third condition getting true, that c is 20, then it prints c is 20 and c is equal to 20. Okay, now nested if statement. Nested if statement is basically used for go in the flow when our first condition is getting true. Let me show you by one example. Let's take two variable and check the condition that 10 is equal to 10. If my first condition get true, then my next if condition is initialized. Then it will check that it is true or false, and after we will get our output. See, we get both d is 10 and e is 20. here my both condition getting true. What if my first condition get false? Let me show you. Here gives 20 and my second condition is true, but here my first condition is getting false, so that's why it's come out of the if statement. So the next condition is not initialized. As I said earlier that we must have to give white space before writing a statement for our output, okay? But in Python you can also write your statement after the condition, just in the same line without giving any white space. Let me show you. Okay, write it and we get our output without any syntax or condition error. Okay, so see, we get our output without any error. So that's all about decision making in Python. If anyone have any doubt related to these statements, then comment below. I will help you out. Hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a good day.